We will start with pump run-on. Pump run-on is a feature in the LT500 which helps clean out the pump after the level has reached the offset point. Wall cling reduction introduces a variance into the level on and off set points. This helps ensure that buildup does not occur on the inside wall of the vessel in the same spot over and over again. By changing the on and off set points, we ensure that buildup does not occur in the same spot over and over again, creating an obstruction which could be seen as a false reading. We also reduce the maintenance on the inside of the vessel, increasing safety. The inflow or discharge adjustment helps to account for material that is being removed from the vessel while the pumps are running. It helps ensure that it is an accurate pumped total. Delay between starts is used to reduce a power surge from all the pumps starting at the same time. This delay determines when the next pump is permitted to start. The power resumption delay is used to reduce the power surge from multiple instruments starting their pumps immediately on power resumption. When this delay expires, the pumps will start. Pump energy savings are used to maximize the use of pumps during periods of low energy cost and minimize its operation during periods of high cost. Prior to the peak period, the SITRANS LT500 runs the pump to reduce the level of wastewater. When the peak period starts, the SITRANS LT500 switches to a different set of high and low set points. The wet well now stores more wastewater before pumping starts. During this peak tariff period, the pump runtimes will be shorter, and less energy will be consumed. When the peak period ends, the pump set points return to the normal off-peak settings. The SITRANS LT500 can have up to 5 different peak time intervals, so even when the peak chart goes from this to this, the SITRANS LT500 can still save money. Pump interlock is used to ensure that pumps are running when activated and not in a failed state. Interlock can be used to ensure that any pump reporting a failure is removed from the pumping rotation.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.